Today we've got our industrial grade light here. I say industrial, this thing's heavy. It's heavy, it is metal frame, and it is bright. A couple ways you can mount this. You've got this included hook right here that will screw into either here if you want to mount it hanging face down, or will mount in the side here if you need to hang it this direction. This has lots of LED lights inside there. You've got a few adjustments inside this water resistant thing here. Open this up. You can adjust 3 different levels of light brightness. And then you've got your power cord here. Let's plug this in, see how bright it is. This thing is bright. Perfect for the shop. Perfect for the shop, a shed, outside, anywhere that you need a ton of light.